Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a crochet knit stitch. The reason I chose to show this stitch first is there will be a pattern release soon. That pattern includes the knit stitch, and I just wanted to make sure that everybody is familiar with that stitch before I release that pattern. So I'll get started. What you want to do first, I just made a quick chain here. This is a chain of 11 with the first one counting as your first single crochet. I'm just going to single crochet in each chain across, just standard single crochet to start. Okay, so now we have one thing of single crochet. What I want to do here is change the color so that you can see better where the actual stitch is taking place. So now I've changed to yellow over on the side. This is where you can actually tell the knit stitch is being made. With the knit stitch, you want to single crochet not in this opening at the top, but in between the V shape right underneath of it. So you can see here, I've already made a few. That kind of look like that. And then, so you'd be starting in this case from behind, but just making sure that you get it through the V, not the top. And then you would create a single crochet as normal, and it would look like that. So I'm just going to continue to do that across. So I've gone ahead and already switched back to the red color, and you can see the first row is already starting to look more like knitting than crocheting. You're going to want to look at this other side when you're crocheting. So if you insert your hook through the inverse V and kind of wiggle it through, you should be able to get over in between the V on the other side. And then you would single crochet across, make sure it's in there. So while that is looking like that, you could see on the other side it's looking kind of cool. And to end the round, I usually just make a regular single crochet because it can be tight to get into at the end, and it doesn't look too bad to finish with a single crochet. So there you have it. You would just continue crocheting into the V shape as opposed to the top part right here of the single crochet. So V shape you go into and you ignore the top part. And that's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and look out for that pattern release that uses the knit stitch in the coming weeks. Bye!